Hello, Group 2 friends. Excuse me, this is Group 3 friends. Alright, so what we're going to do is you're going to get a notebook, piece of paper, and a pencil, and fill when I write, you write. So fill this out. Okay, so on your piece of paper, you're going to write this problem. Okay, there's your problem. Please write it down. Alright, so we're going to work through this. We're going to look. In my pocket, I have $7. I cannot give you 9 out of that 7, so I cross it off and I reach into my other pocket. And in my other pocket, I have no money. I have no $10 bills, so I can't borrow anything. So I keep going. I reach into my third pocket, and I have 2 pieces of paper in there. They're each worth $100, so I have 2 $200 bills. I can borrow one of them, take one piece of paper out of the pocket, leaving one in the pocket, and I give that 1 to the 10, or excuse me, give the 1 to the 0, making it a 10. Now, I can borrow against those 10 pieces of paper. I can take 1 away, leaving 9, adding the 1 piece of paper to the 7, making 17 pieces of paper. 17 minus 9 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 4 minus 1 is 3. 3,068, okay? Let's do another problem really quickly. Flip that over. Stop the video at any time. Okay, the next problem is write this on your piece of paper. Let's solve it together. You can stop the video at any time. All right, in my pockets, I have several. I have $8,102. Out of that $8,102, I need to give you $6,634. So I reach into my first pocket. I only have $2. So with $2, can I give you 4? No, I cannot. So I reach over and I feel in the next pocket. It's empty. There's nothing in my pocket that I can borrow. So I keep reaching. I look in the next pocket, in my back pocket, in my jeans, and I have one $100 bill. I have 1 piece of paper. I borrow it and take it out, leaving nothing in my pocket. I stick it in my other pocket, and it turns into 10 tens. Then I can borrow against that 10 tens, and it becomes 9 tens, and I give one of the tens to the 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 4. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 would be 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 0. If I have 0 Benjamins, 0 $100 bills, or 0 pieces of paper, I cannot give you 6. So I have to come over, borrow against the 8, turning it into a 7, and turning the 10, or the 0, into a 10. Okay? So then 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, let's take a look at another one of those problems. Those are a little trickier because you have to borrow, turn it into something, and borrow again. All right. So 8, 1, 0, 3, 6, 2, 8, 1. All right, write that down. We're going to borrow. Cannot do it. Will borrow. Turn it into a 0. Turn this into a 10. Turn this into a 13. Done. Oh, we gotta turn this into a 9 because I did borrow against it. Okay. So, stop the video at any time. 13 minus 6 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0 minus 8, can't do it. Gotta borrow. That becomes a 7. This becomes a 10. 10 minus 2, and 6. So, if you look at it, there's our problems. Those are what we have. If you have questions, concerns, come please see me. Make sure those are written on your papers. Best of luck. I'll see you soon. Bye.